inside, still by starlight. It was my heart, the drums that start off ended. Same kind of music haunts her bedroom. I'm almost me again, she's almost you. I wouldn't know where to start with music dead in the dark. It's still my foolish heart, don't lose on me. I wouldn't know where to start with music dead in the dark. It's still my foolish heart, don't lose on me. Tell me who would I be taking up? The numbered lovers of Duke Ellington. Do I always kiss the lip and cheek kiss off this chicken sing? Let's get lost and let the good times roll. It's so great from this paper gold. Blow sweet and thick till every thought of it don't mean a thing. I got some color man, she thinks so too. I live like me again, she lives like you. I would know where it starts with music dead in the dark. It's still my foolish heart, don't lose What about this band? I've introduced you to pretty much everybody who's here on stage, but two very wonderful people. Joining me from the Bahamas via New York City on synth and percussion and vocals, please put your hands together for the incredible Camila. And joining me from New York City on synth and percussion and vocals, please put your hands together for the incredible Melissa McMillan.